It is just a narrative that is so compelling to an audience, one that is relatable to anyone. Tatiana's journey from that young love of the teenage girl, and to watch it progress from the foolish and naivety of placing her trust in this somewhat beautiful but arrogant man, and to watch her grow as the opera progresses, and to watch that love grow into a mature love. We start out with a teenager, we end up with a woman who is in control of her emotions and her destiny.
No, I think regular opera goers will love this. It's a typical romantic story of rejection, and Tchaikovsky's music is massively romantic. It's typical, mid-19th century voluptuous orchestral music, and the characters are all characters that you could take from even modern life today. They're not so much stereotypes, but certainly there are lots of relevant links that you would make with contemporary life.
Wel, mi oedd yng nghyflwyniad cyntaf i gerddoriaeth Tchaikovsky ac Eugene Onegin yn Eisteddfod Genedlaethol Pen y Bont yr Ogur ym 1998, lle mi o'n i'n cystadlu ar 19 tenor o dan 5 ar 20, a'r darn prawf oedd Aria Lenski, ac felly mi roedd rhaid canu Aria Lenski yn y Gymraeg.
It's the music, it's the lyricism of it, and the storyline is very intriguing too. And from a mezzo point of view, there were several roles to be done. So when I first accepted a role, I was playing Olga, who was much younger, and then I thought, well, actually, I think this is one that can quite nicely stay with a mezzo soprano for life, because you then move on to Larina, who's the mother, who of course I'm playing now, and then you'll move on to potentially Filipievna, the nanny. So actually you've kind of got the 3 generations of mezzo involved in it as well.
I would love the audience to firstly had a really good time and enjoyed it. There's some amazing chorus scenes with dancing and also just it looks beautiful. The costumes are amazing, and everyone sounds great as well. But I also want them to feel touched by the story.
And Tchaikovsky is clever in the way that he reiterates the memorable themes and melodic ideas all the way through. We do literally come out of this opera singing the tunes. I mean, that's a phrase that's hackneyed to death, but on Eugene Onegin, we do very much come out singing all the melodies, perhaps more so than in any other opera.